Oh, morning YouTube, it's Stack Smart here again. And yeah, it's the 23rd of December. And I was just talking yesterday about this rising wedge pattern in silver. And as you can see, we did get a dive in the silver price yesterday. Let me see what it went exactly down to. So it went down to 15.521. Now, one thing that is important to note, that the silver price is affected by round numbers really. So one thing I want you to note is, if you have a look at this area around the 17 mark here, you can see that the price was around 17 for a while at the peak, and at the moment we have been on the rising wedge. It's been around the 16 level, so we've got a 17 level and a 16 level. Now, as you can see in the recent price action, we're getting another rising wedge here. Now, if this wedge doesn't rise above this line that I've put in in the next few days, obviously we've got Christmas coming up, so the market will be closed then. But in essence, this rising wedge here, in my opinion, is trying to retest the 15 level. So I think what's going to happen is that we're going to get a rising wedge up to about here, trying to get up to 16 again, and then I think we're going to get another retest like this of the 15 level. So we do tend to work in the round numbers with the silver price, and pretty much any market really. So we've gone for 17 there, we've gone for 16 here. This particular rising wedge is around the 15.5 area, but I do believe that we are going to retest the 15 price point probably on non-farm payroll day on I think it's the 5th of Jan. Have a quick look. Yeah, the first Friday in any month, so 2nd of January. So next Friday, I think that we're going to either retest this or we're going back up again. So we've got another rising wedge here. So we've got another rising wedge forming like this. I think it'll grind for a few days. As you see, this particular rising wedge here grinded from the 17th of December through to yesterday on like a 5-day period, and then as I saw yesterday, it fell off the rising wedge and it's rising again. So we're still not out of the woods with the silver price at the moment, but it's going to be an excellent buying opportunity again when we're down towards $15. Okay, so a couple of picks for me today on the coins. These 2014 Somalian Elephants you can pick up on 5 volume for £18.21 each on Atkinson's Bullion. I don't have any commission or anything from these guys, but it's just a very good deal. And also, this is a website I use sometimes, 24carat.co.uk. They've still got some half-ounce dragons in, new, £10.45, which are a fantastic deal, as you can't get dragons for love nor money at the moment. They've also got some 2-ounce lunar dragons for 36 quid, so absolute steal for the dragons from these guys at the moment. So they've got 5-ounce dragons at 87 quid, 10-ounce dragons at 153 quid, and 1 kilo dragons for 462 quid. They've also got a 10 kilo dragon for those of you feeling flush at Christmas for about £6 grand. So yeah, here are my top 2 tips for the day. 24carat.co.uk, half-ounce dragons and 2-ounce dragons. Atkinson's Bullion 2014 elephants for £18.21 each on 5. And yeah, I don't think we're out of the woods with the silver price. I think I'd get your savings ready for a retest down at $15 again. I'm not certain that's going to happen. If this rising wedge continues, then we're going to see more downside. I'm not certain that we'll get down to 15. We might just get down to 15.25 or something, but I think that's the pattern we're going to see, and then we'll have a look at a continuation pattern that's currently forming for that as well. Alright then, so have a lovely Christmas, and hope that helps. Have a look at those 2 deals, Atkinson's Bullion Elephants and 24carat.co.uk dragons. Alright, I'll speak to you soon. Subscribe, like and comment, and let's stack smart together.